Money Flex point of view. We out here, nighttime, cruising down the street, you heard. So where are we going, left or right? Left? Okay, y'all heard it, we're going to the cemetery. Has an exhaust. Goonies going on Goonie Adventures! Free Shabakadu! Bro, we've only been recording for a minute 20. Or I've been only recording for a minute 20. And we all the way over here.
9 seconds. Balls.
Oh shit. Road in is 1,000 feet, y'all. 3 minutes, 33 seconds. Alright, we're gonna have to walk them. Oh, fuck my thighs, bro. Fuck. Yo, I'm coming. I can't like feel my right knee leg though. Road ends. 500 feet, yo.
Oh, I just hurt my nutsack.
3 minutes. Oh shit, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Since we were in a, what the fuck? About mid walk. So that, oh, there's a light flashing over there.
Hello. What time is it? Should be at least 4 hours.
Bro, do you see the lights over there?
Okay.
Alright, yo, going dark. Yeah. Yo, do y'all see this light? It keeps blinking on and off. We're not even at the cemetery yet. Let you know when we're there. We had to walk it. Vehicles were too loud. Okay, yo, we at the cemetery. I'm gonna keep this probably recording. I don't know if we'll catch anything. Hopefully we catch some EVPs though. What's a flagpole? I'm staying no light. Try to stay in the shadow. Look, y'all can see all this light right here. Bro, I can't feel my hand or my leg. Yeah, that looks like somebody's standing over there. Yo, what the fuck? God. I don't know. I'm hearing a whole bunch of shit moving around us. Read your choice. Okay, this is good holding position. What wind? What wind? I don't feel no wind.
I have to find a spot to put the bike.
I don't know. I just heard somebody cough.
Can you see that piece of moss?
Yeah.
That's the only thing moving.
Yeah. I don't really think it was a great idea. I'm not really too stoked on it, to be honest.
There's something at the flag.
I know. But, yo, what the fuck? What was that?
Sounds like people talking.
It's not so much of a we're not welcome, but it's not so much of a we're welcome. Yeah, facts. Bro, I'm telling you, there's like mad fucking people. Bro, what the fuck? Oh shit, that was over there. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Bro, did you not just hear that squeal? Yo. This kid's. Oh shit. I'm not going over there. What? Mega bad juju. Yeah. Bro, I've been watching people watch us since we got here. That was above us. Guys, do y'all see anything? We skating out. Sorry for the wind. Look at that moon, y'all. Don't mind my exhaust on my skateboard. Don't ask how it's there. I don't even know. On your right. And we just coast. Vroom vroom. It's okay, I know my skateboard sounds like a Honda.
And then I gotta lower the seat too, so.
Yo, technical difficulties. Be right back.